On a yacht, there are usually more crew members than people expect, and everyone has a very specific role. The captain handles the route and safety. The engineer makes sure everything runs properly: engines, water, systems. Stewards take care of service, cabins, and everything you see during the day. And deckhands manage anchoring, operations, and all the water activities. It's a full team working in the background, so you don't have to think about anything.